Hello PIRCH audience, my name is Ivan Ferreira and today I'm at the Solana Beach showroom to talk to you a little bit more about Wolf Outdoor Gourmet. Now Wolf is really known for their indoor high-performing product. But what they've done is they've actually ported that indoor experience to the outdoor. Along with the iconic red knobs, they've also made a 36-inch outdoor grill. With the grill, you have three main burners. You have your infrared sear zone and two stainless steel U-shaped burners on the underside. With the infrared sear zone, you can do everything from steaks to tuna and give you that perfect restaurant quality sear, as well as doing a low temperature setting and everything in between. On the right-hand side of the grill, with those two stainless steel burners, atop of them, you have an entire grid of ceramic briquettes, which allow for perfect heat distribution across the entire grilling surface. So whether you're doing ahi over here, asparagus over here, you really have precision control across the board. On top of the burners, you actually have a rear burner on the back, which is provided for the rotisserie. Now the rotisserie motor can actually handle a 25-pound weight distribution across the entire rod. So you can do a variety of different recipes all at once at the same time. Moving on the right-hand side, you actually have a single burner over here, which they also have a dual burner. This can be great. So say you are doing a ahi tuna and you want to make tacos. This is the perfect tortilla burner for you. On the underside of the 36-inch grill is a 36-inch warming drawer. Now the 36-inch warming drawer perfectly lines up with the 36-inch grill footprint. What's wonderful about that is that you can actually have all of your dishes come out at the exact same temp at the exact same time, so that you never have any cold food laying around. To the right of the grill, you actually have two refrigeration drawers, which are perfect for storing a variety of beverages or ingredients that you may need at a moment's notice when you're outside in your outdoor kitchen. Thank you so much for following along, and be sure to visit PIRCH.com to make a showroom appointment with a sales consultant today.